Hey guys, Julie here. How are y'all doing? I am actually in Toronto, our neighbors to the north. I'm doing another solo jaunt, which you know is kind of my jam. You're probably thinking to yourself, okay, how does Julie make friends when traveling solo? I'm always posting pictures with people I meet abroad, and it's true. I make a lot of friends when traveling. I make a lot of connections, both when traveling for work and for pleasure, because I really love connecting with locals and travelers wherever I go. So let me just show you some of the beauty of Toronto real quick. Sidebar, take a look at downtown. Okay, so what I want to tell you about today is how I'm using Bumble BFF to make friends when I'm traveling solo. You guys know I love my apps, and Bumble is one of them. Most of my trips are solo because I love the freedom, I love the flexibility, and I like to use this app to make new connections. Because sometimes you want some company to see the sights with, whether it be sightseeing or karaoke or waiting in line at some museum. Sometimes you need a picture buddy, somebody to take some photos of you in exchange for some photos of them. I've even established some lifelong friendships out of this. Okay, so since I'm talking about Bumble, I'd probably be remiss not to talk about Bumble Date. Traditional Bumble, which you know is the functionality where girls make the first move and girls initiate the conversation. And you're probably wondering, okay, to vacation romance or not to vacation romance? That is the question. It is a question I've gotten before, and hey, I've definitely had a few vacation flirtations, which, you know, Bumble is great for. You just never know who you're gonna meet. And I think there's something about the natural curiosity that you get when you're traveling that somehow makes me a little more open-minded than dating at home. So that's all, friends. I'm gonna get back out there, enjoy more of the sights that Toronto has to offer, and connect with some people. I'll catch you later, and as usual, I will keep sharing my dating and travel stories in future videos. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button right up there. Love you lots. Au revoir.